I'm going to break this problem up into two different parts. So the first part is going to be this, how can you change the equation to match the problem piece? And we'll look at that first, and then we'll move on to part two. So in part one, how can you change the equation to match the problem? So let's look at what is it that the equation tells us. It tells us that the cell phone plan charges him a flat fee of $35. So that tells me that no matter what happens every month, you're going to have to pay at least $35 to have your cell phone plan. Then it tells me that it's going to charge me 5 cents per text message that is sent. The incoming messages are free. He's not charged for those. And we're going to use the value T to represent the number of messages that come in to the phone. So if I were going to write this out as a algebraic expression, what I'm going to take a look at is what is the constant? So my constant is that plus $35 because no matter what, I'm getting charged $35 every month. The variable, so what is going to change each month, is how much I'm going to pay for text messages because it depends how many I send. So I'm going to pay 5 cents for every text message. So I've got my 5 cents, and in this problem, it's asking me to represent the number of text messages sent with the letter T. So I'm going to put my letter T there. So try not to get confused with my letter T and my plus sign beside it. So if I were going to change this equation so that it appropriately matched the problem, this is how I would do it. I would do it as 5 cents times t, so however many text messages I get multiplied by 5 cents, and then to that I'm adding my constant of $35 each month. So that we're going to call that part one of our answer to this problem. Next up, we will take a look at part two. In part two, I'm now being asked, how could I change the problem so that it matches this equation? So the equation that I'm originally given to work with is this 35t plus 5 cents. So if I were going to change my problem to match what they originally gave me, then what I'm going to be looking at changing this to is the 5 cents is going to become the flat fee. So every month you pay 5 cents for your cell phone plan. Sounds like a good deal to me. So then that leaves the $35 charge to be what I would be paying for every text message I sent. So this would be the text message fee, and the T still represents number of messages. So in order to change this problem to match the equation they've come up with, I would have to say your cell phone plan has a flat fee of $5, and for every outgoing text message you send, you are paying $35. Probably not a good plan for you if you are sending a lot of text messages.